Look at this acrobatic cat. Rob, get back over there. Huh. Yeah, you're right, little guy. Get back, Rob, a minute. Good boy. Yeah, it's supposed to. Oh! Oh! Gotta be careful. Look, I'm putting my hand like on the net. Like I'm so scared. I'm so scared. Oh! 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 I'm so scared. I'm so scared to actually put my hand on here right now. Oh God! It's like look, my hand. Look, touches the net. Oh! He goes for it. Oh my God! I'm so scared. He's gonna bounce. Oh! Shut that window! Sophie, shut that window! Come on. I don't know how she feels cold at this time of year. Oh my God. Oh. Robert, why are you screaming? And? And? Well, come out then. Oh look, Smokey's coming to rescue you now. I thought he was actually going to go for him then. Hey, Smokey.
Ben,
Yeah.
I think I should use this one or this one? This one or this one?
Both. I like both.
I like this one more.
I like the skull.
Ow! I threw up in the air.
Oh, excuse him. I want to get these shots. These are pretty good. Oh my God! Oh my God! Whoa!
I'm scared of that cat. He's got one in his mouth.
Oh! What's he got? What's he got?
Leaf.
Oh, don't do anything to him. Hey, Smokey!
Can I see,
Whoa!
can I see what he reacts to this?
No!
He'll go crazy.
No, because if you start chucking stuff at him, he'll start to run away. No, he'll just get scared and. This is like the first day in like ages in this month. Like it's only just gone October. Like, hold on, let me turn the camera. Yeah, it's only just gone October, and like. Surprisingly, it's a good day to go outside. I know. It's amazing. It's amazing. Actually, we get to go outside in this time of year, October. Starts to get more darker. Oi, whoa. And there he goes. Hold on, Rob. No, don't chuck stuff at him. Hey, Smoker boy, what you got? Robert, no! Yeah, but only throw it when he goes and fetches it. Hey, Smokey. You come back out, you sleep?
I got star hands.
Huh? Yeah,
And an apple.
Yeah. Well, just
Can I show the spider?
Where then? Where's this spider then?
It was in a minute ago.
Oh my god, I felt something on me.
Probably a spider. Probably.
No, it ain't.
Where's it go? Mouth on the floor. I'm scared. Oh, that spider. That spider. It's scary.
Yeah, there isn't a spider.
There was. It was about the size of a daddy long legs. It was about the size of a tarantula.
Well, I doubt that. We don't live in, like, what is it, Australia? Oh, there's Smoky. Yeah, with all the other garbage we got in this shed. Seriously, it's a mess. Gonna have to have another clean out, but not now. What? Probably next year in the summer. Probably. Oi, Robbie, careful. Careful, because Smoky's in
Oh, I
there.
found the spider.
Where?
Go in here. Come in here.
I'm too scared.
He's behind that window.
What are you on about?
He's that thing.
What, that?
Yeah.
You guys, alright, you guys can't see that, and do you want to know why? Because it's not big. It's just so small, it's so tiny, literally, I could zoom in maximum on this camera, and you would not be able to see that. Wait, was my face glowing just then? I'll have to watch that back later on. Oh, I know, but yeah, but then again, careful, Rob, careful, because all this stuff is very unstable. Oh! Oh no, there he goes.
Where'd you go?
No idea. I'm probably going to shut it down now, because it's just me talking now, so, yep. There was my cat, Smoky.
And
He's awesome.